In Thailand, people eat a lot of rice, so it's not surprising to find special storage results for it. The traditional container is a rice box, which is actually a jar hand-woven from bamboo and often beautifully decorated. They are also produced as gift items for tourists. Thai rice boxes started out as ordinary household containers for cooked sticky rice. Today, they are sought after souvenirs, produced in a range of sizes for storage of all kinds, or simply a decoration. Each box is handcrafted from start to finish and begins with thin strips of bamboo. The strips are split to the width that corresponds to the size of the box being woven. The first few strips are lined up on the floor. The artisan holds them steady under his foot as he waves other strips through them in the right sequence. He continues waving this pattern until he produces a square that is large enough to form the base of the box. He sprays the base with water to soften the bamboo. This prevents the strip from breaking when he bends them upwards to begin weaving the sides of the box. Once he is completed the sides, he begins weaving the box neck, pulling the strips in a circular direction. He alternates the strips folding, one upwards and then one downwards. He turns two downward strips, then insert the ends through the woven sides. Next, he pulls the strip to the middle and fits a bamboo ring over the outside of the neck. Then another on the inside of the neck. This locks the strips in position, eliminating any need for nails or glue. It also reinforces the shape of the neck. The remaining strips are trimmed, and the box is finished. He then makes a lid using the same materials and techniques. Next, the outside of the box and lid is coated with a mixture of chalk, glue, and sawdust. The coating dries in the sun for a day or two until the surface becomes hard and smooth like clay. Now an artist gets to work applying two base coats of acrylic paint. Once the base coats are dry, she places the box on the turntable and puts on the coat of the background color. Once that dries, she begins outlining the design. Then she fills again. Once that's dry, the fine details are added. Once all the artwork is dry, they tie the band of rattan around the neck and then tie the box door woven stamp using rattan strips. At the base of each corner, they weave the rattan strips into decorative pattern. The rice box is entirely handmade. The artisans never use templates, never take measurements, and they do it all by eyes. The inside of the box remains bare, showing off the skillfully woven bamboo. Bamboo is natural, non-toxic, and perfectly safe to store rice in, which is handy for rice box.